Hi, I'm Sydney. I'm with the Sunlight Artisan team. Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. So what we have right now is her base color on. She's a level 4, 3.5, 4. And so I've already put her base color on. I started to do some highlights throughout. Notice that my placement is high, low, and high. So now that I'm at the top, obviously she's a brunette, so she doesn't want to go too high with her highlights. So I'm really just going to travel this down following her layering to make the illusion with her layers going all the way down. So when her hair breaks open, it doesn't look choppy. Okay, so notice I'm using my loader brush. So I'm really just going to take my piece right where it lands. So bringing my fingers together and still getting that meat underneath the piece. Pulling all the extra baby hairs together. Loading up. And now I'm able to paint on her highlights. Starting a little bit lower, obviously, with her being darker, and then saturating the ends. So again, my piece is higher up, so I'm going to go a little bit lower on this, just to really connect her layers. Using my loader brush. So just because I have a paintbrush doesn't mean I always have to use it. And I want to keep some depth, so leaving a little bit of hair in between each piece that I do. And that way I can just connect the ends. Thank you for tuning in to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. We'll see you next week. Make sure to subscribe and comment if you have any questions.